If Microsoft Clipchamp is showing a server error, don't worry, because in most cases, this is something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get Clipchamp working again, from simple refreshes to deeper browser fixes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, refresh the page. A server error can sometimes be temporary, and reloading Clipchamp is the easiest way to see if the issue clears itself. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all, and Clipchamp may just be having a temporary server issue. Next, sign out of your Microsoft or Clipchamp account, then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix login-related problems that cause the error to appear. If you're still stuck, turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. These tools can sometimes interfere with Clipchamp's connection to its servers and trigger loading issues. After that, switch your internet connection. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, try mobile hotspot or another network. A network change can help you determine whether the issue is tied to your current connection. Now let's check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and disable anything that could block scripts or website connections, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions. Once those are turned off, reload Clipchamp and see if the error is gone. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cache and Cookies, clear the data, and restart the browser. Old cache files can cause conflict with Clipchamp and prevent it from loading correctly. Finally, make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome or Edge. Clipchamp tends to work best in those browsers, and switching can solve issues that other browsers create. After trying each step, test Clipchamp again to see if the server error has been fixed. In most cases, one of these solutions will get you back into your project fast. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I post simple fixes just like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.